See you next time.
These birds are so friendly with a human being.
They love flying.
They love flying. See? I love. Do you hear their sounds?
Yeah.
Beautiful sounds. What is that?
That noise.